Hey, how are you? My name's Tammy Marshall and I'm the Unemotional Eater. And somebody said something to me earlier today that they didn't want to go to lunch with me because they didn't want me looking at what they were eating. And I just thought, people think that I do diets. Like, I don't do diets. What I do is I help people change their relationship with food. And really what I do is I help people change their relationship with their self that impacts how they put nutrition in their body. But one of the first things I do ask people to do on a nutritional level is I ask people to take probiotics. Part of the deal is we're physically sick. And I'll talk about me. Like, I was so messed up on sugar and gluten and things that just weren't in my best interest, that my body was actually out of balance. And so it's really hard to shift your emotions and to shift your relationship around food when there's this craving going on in your gut because you've just completely been hijacked. So there's a video below that I just ask you to watch that kind of explains the whole probiotic thing. And, that would be the place to start. The other thing is, I've partnered up with a nutritional company because we're not getting the same nutritions out of our foods that we used to. And then there's also just knowing that if you're more steady on the nutritions that you're getting, then you're going to be healthier. And so instead of creating my own product or, just sending you to the store, I have a lot of people that are like, just make it easy for me. So, you can get probiotics through me, you can go to the store, but I'm just going to invite you to be the very first thing that you do is go get a probiotic and start to make a habit of daily taking a probiotic. It'll make a huge difference in your life. So watch the video so you understand the why part, and I'll talk to you again soon. Blessings.